Welcome to the project sending SMS in black spot area. Here we are using the two systems. One is for the two systems we are using the Zigbee transceivers for the communication purpose, and as well as one GSM modem to intimate the information who is in a safe mode. Okay, for these systems we are using a two controllers called PIC16F877A. Okay, and this is called as Zigbee transceivers. Both will be in a forest or any unreachable mode at particular distances. So whenever my GSM signal losses, we should be stopped at that particular location. And before starting this project, firstly we need to insert the SIM card properly and then check for the signal of GSM. If signal is properly received, then call to this GSM modem. If it is getting ring, then switch on the kit. Switch on the kit and keep this kit in such a way that my GSM signal should be achieved. And from there, the particular location, we can send this one more GPS kit with a person who is getting into the forest or any black spot location. From where, if anything he want to send a message or he want to give his intimation to the transmitting received people, then firstly he will transmit his number from this Zigbee to this Zigbee transceiver. From these Zigbee transceivers to this Zigbee transceiver, that particular number will be transmitted, and this part will receive that particular number and as well as the GPS values of this system. Okay, and after that this system will send that GPS values to that particular received person using this GSM modem. Obviously we will be having a signal for this GSM modem, so the particular location of that person along with the latitude longitude values will be sent to the received person so that he can communicate with them. So let us check this operation once again. So initially this light should be blinking so that it indicates that GPS got the signal, and we will be displaying some latitude and longitude values. And this is called the Zigbee transceiver. Initially it will be started to pair the communication between these two Zigbees. And then after that we need to enter this number for the person who want to send the GPS values using this potentiometer. This is the potentiometer used to enter the hold this button for firstly hold this button for 2 seconds, then it will enter into the config mode. Then after it entering into the config mode, we can enter the particular number for which our information need to be sent. Using this potentiometer, we will send the information. And by rotating this potentiometer, we can select the numbers, and then after we can again rotate the potentiometer to get the another number. In this way, okay, this is the way we will be rotating the potentiometer, and as well as this push button should be pressed whenever the number is selected. When you want to select the number, we just click the push button. This is the number I am selecting. Okay, after completion of this number, we just need to check for the A alphabet so that to complete the particular number and forward to this Zigbee. So this is my A letter, I can observe here. Then after again once I will be pressing the push button so that my Zigbee always starts transmitting. This LED will be starting the transmitting, and at the same time this LED will start the receiving, and my buzzer at this system will be glowing until the message is forwarded to that particular number. So let us check this message has been gone to particular information as the latitude and longitude values as 00 initially located, and restart the system after this. Thank you.